Gatho cia mwanya mwiroreri wa Muthingi TV na atakirega njire hone ndacokereria niguo ngumenyithie maria marikuo thiini iria iriko ya mohoro ni muhuko wakwa ati ni uratindia thayo na koguo na gitio kinene ngai kunyita ugeni guku ni kwa Muthingi TV ngumenyithie maria marikuo thiini iria iriko ya mohoro no mbere ndaya reke twambe tumukire mamwe ma maria tukuhaririirie. Na hari mamwe ma maria tukuhaririirie ni ati ithurano cia kiama kia UDA no irathie na mbere na makiria mucine munene wa Kenya Nairobi kiambiriria umuthi.
Mambo ya huduma ya reli hawezi ingia kwa sasa hivi. Mpaka sasa wajue vile watahamisha hii reli waipeleke mahali pengine.
Mengo ya ukui wa reli gutharario ni kiguo mwena wa Kikuyu gukwari kaunti-ini ya Kiambu. Muyuro wa mai guthararia mihango ya o muthenya kumanagia na mbura nene irathie na mbere na kura. Mutaburuko wira gukinyira kuma guko mucii munene wa Kenya Nairobi na no kurokereria na ithui kuri mwena wa Facebook ni @Muthingi TV, kuri mwena wa YouTube ni @Muthingi TV, kana gucunge muhira ni kuri mwena wa YouTube ni @Muthingi TV. Na mahinda mothe ni nawe twacemania na ujete Kariuki wa andu ati ni gukorwo ngitika tukiambiriria ni ati githurano ya kiama kia United Democratic Alliance ni kirathie na mbere mucii munene wa Kenya Nairobi. Ni ithurano irithiete riu na mbere na gutafanio ni ngwataniro ya United Democratic Alliance na makiria riri kana riri ionekanite gukorwo iri ya guthimana icoka na makiria kumana na andu aria maranyotera giturwa giki. Governor wa kaunti ya Nairobi Gatha Johnson Sakaja ni umwe wa andu aria marahitahitanira giturwa kia muikariri giti wa kiama giki kia UDA oro hamwe na mundu gwitwo James Gakuya na uria ni mubunge wa Embakasi ya ithowiro na uria monekanite magithi na mbere na gugithimana hinya. Ni riboti turathi na mbere na ukuhaririria na ni tuko twikumenyithia o ta uria igukorwo igikiyumiria no mani ati ni hindi ithurano cia kiama kia UDA ikorirwo ikihurwo shafi kumwe gwa kaunti ingi kuria ithurano ici iragithi na mbere ni hamwe na kaunti ya Narok kuria ona ko ithurano ici cia kiama kia UDA iragithi na mbere na muthenya wa rucio nacio ciama cia kiama kana ithurano cia kiama kia ODM Orange Democratic Movement na guo igakorwo ikiambiririo muthenya wa rucio. Ni riboti turathi na mbere na ukuhaririria ona cihanda wega kana mohoro-ini maitu maria mekurumirira ni gukorwo ukimiamukira wega na njira ithiranite na makiria o ta uria igugikorwo igithie riu na mbere na gutukinyira tugithiru na mbere ni ati mihango ya ukui na makiria wa reri na makiria barabara-ini ya kuma Nairobi guthie Githumo ni onekanite gukorwo ihutitio na njira nene na makiria kumanagia na kugwa kana kugwa kwa ando kana kugwa kwa tiri uria unyitireire reri no mwena wa Thogoto gicigo-ini kia ubunge gia Kikuyu gukwari kaunti-ini ya Kiambu. Kumamuka guku gwa tiri ni gucungiriirie riu mihango ino ikorwo ikirugama na riri na wanyitite mimathiete riu na mbere na kuria ari hamwe na ministry ya ukui guku bururi-ini gwata rũhonge rwa reri rwitikire gutigirira ati ni rwanyitana gutigirira ati ni rwacokereria rerio na ihenya o ta uria kuhotekeka kuona ati riu ni rugamitie mihango mingi ya ukui wa indo oro hamwe na andu na makiria indo iria ikoragwo ikiuma bururi-ini wa Kenya igithio na bururi-ini turigainie wa Uganda kugerera reri iyo.
Tukahure 1897 ndio ilifika hapa Nairobi, na tangu siku hizo hatujapata kitu kama hichi. Tumeona ya kwamba madhara ni makubwa kwa sababu kuna vitu ambavyo vimefanyika na vile tunaona katika ile rail station vile imekuwa imemomoka, na hii ni mambo ya inasababishwa na human interference. Ukiangalia jinsi watu na lima kando na hiyo railway, ni vile kusema ya kwamba hiyo mchanga yake imekuwa mchanga ambayo ni duni na haiwezi kuvumilia kishindo ya maji. Sababu hakuna mambo ya drainage imewekwa mzuri sana. Ndio unakuta maji imekuwa diverted, inaingia mahali ambapo haistahili kuingia. Kwa hivyo mambo ya transportation, mambo ya huduma ya reli haiwezi ingia kwa sasa hivi. Mpaka sasa wajue vile watahamisha hii reli waipeleke mahali pengine ama kuja waunde barabara mzuri ambao ni ya kisasa, kwa sababu hii reli imekaa miaka 128 kuanzia wakati mzungu alikuwa hapa.
Ni David Wakoge, mkaaji wa hapa Thogoto. Mporomoko katika hii njia ya gari moshi ambao ni reli na almost 60 meters zikakuwa submerged, na venye unaona ni ya kwamba wakati huo mchanga ulipita, reli iliachwa ikiwa hanging ama iko juu, imepaa juu. na kwa hivyo shughuli za reli zimesimama kwa sababu tuko na ile treni ambayo inatoka Kikuyu kila asubuhi inaenda hadi Nairobi na jioni inarudi. Saa hizi haiendi. Pia tuko na zile treni ambazo zinabeba mizigo. Hata hizo shughuli zimesimamishwa. Na shirika la reli jana lilitangaza ya kwamba kwa sababu ya hii mvua ambayo imekuwa ikiendelea, wamesimamisha shughuli za hii route. Tumeona wahandisi walikuwa wamekuja hapa siku ya leo asubuhi, na pia tunaona shughuli zinaendelea ule upande mwingine. Kwa hivyo tunajua ya kwamba hizi shughuli pia watashughulikia hapa ambako tumeona pameporomoka, na wataweza kutengeneza pillars ambazo zitaweza kushikilia hapa. Hii mporomoko imetokea kwa sababu ya mafuriko. Kwa sababu tunajua ya kwamba barabara nyingi zile zimejengwa hapa kuanzia Southern Bypass. Tuko na hii barabara ingine ambayo imejengwa ambayo imetoka Thogoto hadi pale Mutarakwa. Yale maji yote ambayo hizo barabara zinabeba inakuja hadi hapa.
Hii railway line bado tunaona ingekuwa vizuri sana kama wangelocate on the left side, na hiyo drainage bado kulingana vile nimesema ile huko Kihuguro na ipitie chini iende kwa mto, kwa sababu if this railway line is returned on the same place, it will be an exercise in futility, na bado hiyo reli itaharibika.
Na tugakihoka ati uthuthuria na makiria one wigiriki ni gukorwo gitafanio mwena ucio niguo gutigirira atirerio ni acokereria kuringana na uthuthuria uria wabikitwo riu ni urikitie kunania ati kaunti ya Bungoma makiria ma aciana na makiria atumia aria mohete nda makoretwo magite ciana na murimu wa malaria na uria thio wonekanite guthi na mbere na kumatiriria uthuthuria uyu tafanitio ni ndagitari akurigita murimu wa malaria aria macu kana aria maumite kaunti-ini ino na kuthi na mbere na kuria aciari mkuma mwena ucio metikire gukorwo makioya kindu gigwitwo ikinya ria gukorwo magithesha ciana kana magithecithia ciana ciao njanjo ona hamwe na ningi gutigirira ati ni mitaratara iria yambikitwo ni ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ari hamwe na kuhuthira kwa neti mathaa maria maragikoma itemini ria gutigirira ati murimu uyu no wakorwo gikihukio ukinyeria mwaka wa 2030 kana niguo mwaka wa 2030
elewa na watu wa kupima malaria, na hapa kwetu mnavyoona kuna venye environment is poor and there is stagnant water which causes malaria. Na to avoid that, we have been told to drain away this stagnant water and sleep under treated mosquito net. Na kitu ingine wametufanyia, wamepata kuwa kuna watoto wamepatikana na malaria na wakaweza kutupea dawa, na tunashukuru sana kwa sababu hatukuwa tunajua.
Our children below 2 years are against malaria vaccine. So, and that one, as I may say from our statistics, have reduced the number of severity. So we don't have so much inpatient malaria cases in Bungoma. Right? It is not high as it used to be before the vaccine was introduced.
With Bungoma County health facilities and community health promoters to deal with malaria, tunaweza tukaangamiza malaria by 2030 according to the Sustainable Development Goals. So hapa Bungoma tuna train community health promoters on community case management of malaria, which means after training they go to the community, wanaenda wana test the community, wakiconfirm positivity wana treat, then wana track. Afterwards yani wanakuja sasa kwa ile boma walienda kutreat kuona kama mgonjwa alimeza madawa vile inafaa na akapona. Kama hajapona wanakuwa referred. Lakini ideally that is what we do in the community. We also do school health. Tunaenda kwa mashule within Bungoma County. Tunawafunza juu ya malaria.
Haya, tugithiru na mbere ni ati uriri mbura nene thiete na mbere na guthanda na ituri tiganite. Riu thirikari ya bururi wa Kenya ni uritio ithi na mbere na gutithiriria andu aria monekanite Ukorwo mahutĩtio na njĩra nene nĩ mũiyũro ũyũ wa maĩ kũrĩa mwena wa River nĩ kumwe gwa kũrĩa njũĩ ciĩrĩkanĩte atĩ nĩ ikoretwo ikiuna na makĩria kumanagia na mbura nene ĩrĩa ĩrathiĩ na mbere na gũthandana. Maya mokĩte rĩrĩ mũndũ ũĩkaine ta Gĩkũngũ na ũrĩa ũrũgamĩrĩire ũrathi wa rĩera gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ athiĩte na mbere na kuga atĩ bũrũri nĩ wĩharĩirie kumanagia na mbura nene ĩrĩa haugĩte atĩ nĩ gũthiĩ na mbere na gũkorwo ĩkiura gwa kahinda rĩu.
Iko kama haya yana sababu mbili ambayo inawezesha. Sababu ya kwanza ni nature na sababu ya pili ni human error. Na kwa sababu mimi siwezi control nature ya Mungu, ingawaji tumekuwa wavivu sana saa ingine na tumezebea katika mambo ya environment, ikawa climate change is a real thing ambayo inabadilisha environment na ndio unaona mafuriko inapatikana. Lakini hapa kwa human error lazima tukubaliane kwamba kuna wale matajiri wengine ambao wanafanya mambo kiholela holela ambayo ina cause mafuriko ambayo inafanya watu hata waweze kupata floods. Mmeona katika hizi river zetu kuna watu wameweka mijengo na pia wamedivert the course of the river. Hiyo ni kumaanisha ukiblock river, hiyo river itatafuta njia nyingine. Na hii river ambayo tayari ilikuwa na njia yake kutoka miaka 50 ambayo iliyopita, sasa inatafutiwa njia nyingine kwenda kufurusha watu kwa sababu ya tamaa ya watu ya kutaka pesa. Na sisi tutataka county commissioner, hiyo multi agency lazima kieleweke kabisa kwamba kama serikali we are going to do whatever it takes.
Na wale wanajenga kwa mto, Kawaya amesema sitarudia. Ni lazima pia we take action against them. Kwa sababu tukifungia mto, definitely it has to flow. Na itapita kwako kwa nyumba.
Mkae mahali iko safe. Msiende mahali tuliwatoa jana. Kwa sababu hatari bado ziko. Tafadhali mkae mahali ambapo hamwezi kudhuruiwa.
Tumeongea na walimu wote, all teachers and the principals wa Mavoko. Saa zile shule zinafunguliwa, kama iko mtoto uniform yake imeenda, watakubaliwa kwenda kwa shule bila uniform. Number 2, kama iko mtoto ako secondary school hapa Mavoko na hata ingia na school fees, nimesema uwe at the River, Mavoko Secondary, Kanaani, any secondary school in Mavoko, hakuna kuripoti na school fees. Huyo mtoto akubaliwa ingie kwa darasa mpaka tutalipa.
Mavoko is hope. Yes. Thank you. Haya.
Riboti iyo ni ugutwamba kana ikwamba gututwara kahinda-ini gaito kambere ga gwikiria twambe tuikirie ni turacokereria.
University of Nairobi is a distinguished institution of higher learning dedicated to nurturing your intellectual curiosity and pushing the boundaries of knowledge. From state-of-the-art laboratories to modern libraries equipped with the latest resources, we provide you with the tools you need to succeed. Choose from a wide range of programs designed to prepare you for challenges of tomorrow's world. Whether in STEM, humanities, business or the arts, our strong industry connections and career service support will help you translate your education into meaningful career opportunities upon graduation. Join a vibrant community of scholars from around the world, fostering cultural exchange, collaboration and lifelong friendships. Book your space now for September intakes. Log in to https://www.uonbi.ac.ke for a wide range of courses to choose from. You can also contact +254 020 491 0000 or email us at pr@ounbi.ac.ke.
uri murimi munini na ni urabatara ngwataniro na nyumba ya mohoro ihinda ni riri amu Muthingi TV ni irakuhe mweke wa kwanirithia kimenyithia niguo ukurie biashara yaku na njira nene. Tuhurire thimu kugerera kivugo mugwanja ithano mugwanja igiri ithatu ithano inyanya kana utwandikire email niyo sales@lookuptv.co.ke. Uka tutume ndugu na tutirithanie hamwe amu ndugu ni makinya.
Kereria ngatho cia mwanya ni guthi na mbere na kurumanira hamwe na ithuĩ gikundi gia guthaitira maria maturigicĩirie kia EcoWorld ni kihingurite ceceni ya kũngania cuba cia plastic taũni-inĩ ya Malindi nĩguo kũnyihia gĩko gĩa takataka ũndũ ũmwe na gũtigĩrĩra atĩ nĩgĩathondeka mĩeke ya mawĩra kũrĩ aikari a taũni ĩno. Kũringana na mũikari gĩtĩ wa gĩkundi gĩkĩ na ũrĩa ũĩkaine ta Steve Trot nĩaugĩte atĩ marĩ na muoroto wa gũtigĩrĩra atĩ taũni ĩno nĩ yakorwo ĩgĩthema na makĩria kumanagia kũyũ gũkorwo ĩkĩhurunjũka nĩ gĩko kĩrĩa ikoragwo mwena ũyũ na ningĩ gũtigĩrĩra atĩ andũ arĩa marĩ mwena ũcio nĩ makorwo makĩgwatĩra mawĩra.
So what we're doing here in Malindi, Watamu, Kilifi County, this can be replicated to other counties. It's already happening. We'll talk about that when we look at our partners here today. But this is the model that can work for all of Kenya. We're focusing on Coast Province, but the rest of Kenya is still waiting. So that's the plastic waste value chain. It creates income streams, it creates livelihoods, and it also, importantly for our waste collectors, it gives them a status. No longer should we look at our waste pickers collectors as people who are just picking waste here and there. No longer should we look at it as a dirty job, as an unclean job. Our waste providers, all of these people here today who are collecting plastic, they are providing an environmental service to us all. That is a valuable service.
This collaboration shows the goodwill of the department towards embracing a multi-sectoral approach to this very important issue. Your choice of Kilifi and specifically Malindi, very strategic because this facility will play a crucial role in the recycling process by maximizing community recycling efforts, even in areas that see low participation in recycling programs. In the same breath, I would like to encourage other stakeholders to take a keen interest in sustainable interventions and solutions to managing waste. Plastic waste has been and is still a major challenge and concern in Kilifi. There is no doubt it has impacted negatively on marine life, especially marine mammals. Watamu Ward is a breeding ground for the endangered turtles and is greatly affected by this plastic waste. The big question one would ask is, how important is this facility? Ladies and gentlemen, this facility will maximize the quantity of recyclable processed while producing material that will generate revenue for us. By doing this, we will conserve our natural resources and reduce the destruction of our natural environment by plastic waste. Furthermore, we can secure the future of our children by keeping toxic contamination out of our soil and water. By opening this facility today, the dreams of over 1,000 young people and women in Kilifi are set to come true because of the many job opportunities that are and will be created, such as beach cleaners, waste collectors and recyclers.
We ensure that the plastic solid waste is totally eliminated from our transfer station and the dumping site, and that one is possible.
Kukereria ngatho cia mwanya murugamiri munene wa gikundi kia atumia kia Rona County ni ya Siaya Miss Roslyn Orwa netetetie thirikari ya kaunti ya Siaya akiuga ati riu ni ihinda inene itigirire ati ni akorwa ikirugamirira mihango ya atumia a ndigwa gukiri uguo governor wa kaunti no James Orengo ni ikirio ritara itemini ria gutigirira ati ni amahibiri hari gutigirira ati ni meyukiria.
And that we have presented is a bill to protect the rights of widows. We know in the Luo customs and culture, there's a lot of retrogressive traditions that bind and hold the widow, that have taken us back many years. They are sad stories. If you hear the stories of the widows in Luo land, the issues you hear always of tear, you are being inherited, means that you are having forced sexual relations with men you don't know, just in the name of rituals and cleansing. And we say the retrogressive ones we don't want to go with. We are alive to the fact that traditions are there for our people. But now we have reviewed them. The good ones we have retained, but the ones that are really retrogressive, we have said we are going to get rid of them. And this policy is to protect the rights of the widows and women as a whole, in as far as those cultures are concerned, as far as succession, land rights. These are things which have stalled or slowed the process of economic development of widows in Kenya. In Siaya here, and like I'm talking from experience in my ward, we have more widows than women with their husbands. They are the heads of homes. They are taking care of their children and grandchildren, and this policy will liberate us. We present this document that we appreciate, and we know that it has gone through a rigorous process. We have 2 months to the International Widows Day on 23rd of June. We would like the governor to present this bill as an act at that time on the 23rd of June to the widows of Siaya. That is our wish, that is our...
The governor of Siaya County, I'm very delighted to receive the Siaya Widows Protection Bill. Thank you so much for this thinking. I know it's been in the offing for far too long. And I would like to give you a very strong assurance that what needs to be done, especially at the executive level, will be done to women. And the only good thing we can give to our mothers, sisters, and indeed the other widows is something to give them protection for now and into the future.
Gethina mbere ni ati bitika cia kirafu kiria kihambatanaga bitika cia gonya gia KCB Curtis kana ni nyabara wa kirafu kiria kihambatanaga bitika ine cia gonya na makiria kirafu ini gia KCB Curtis ena witikio athaki ake nimeukorwo magika wega ikereka-ini ria quarter finals na kuria magakorwo magitungana na timu ya Northern Suburbs. KCB mahotete gikombe giki maita matano na kuria mari na mwihoko ati mwaka uyu nimegucoka na kio mucii.
There's never an easy match. It's on the day who's prepared well, who is ready for that day, and who has brought up the big guns. So we wait and see how the game will go. Yes, it's an opportunity for other players to step up, show, because sometimes you don't get that opportunity, but when the opportunity falls for you, then you have to take it with both hands. Being the first, I think the first time we've played Suburbs in our 15th competition, it's not going to be easy. As usual, like I always tell you, we take one game at a time. So yes, end goal is to win it, but long-term goal is to win it, short-term goal, Saturday's game.
Haya, ngatho cia mwanya na hone huru gukorwo gikira gaturumo mohoro maitu ma ithaa riri na makiria ni gukorwo gitwarana hamwe na ithuĩ kuma hĩndĩ ĩrĩa tũkĩambĩrĩirie. Niĩ nyingĩrire haha mathaa-inĩ ma rũcinĩ na rĩu thaa ici nĩguo rĩu ngũkorwo ngĩohoka, na rĩu nĩtũgacemania nawe mũthenya wa Monday wona Ngai agĩtũkinyanĩria ona ciĩhanda wega thaa ĩmwe na nĩ cia rũcinĩ. Ngakwĩrutĩria weekend njega ina irathimo cia Ngai na makĩria gũthiĩ na mbere na kwĩmenyerera harĩ rĩ mbura nene yonekanĩte gũthiĩ na mbere na ũkorwo ĩgĩthanda na ituri itiganĩte. Ngatho cia mwanya na Ngai wa muoyo mũrathime na mweke wega gũkũ nĩ kwa Mũthingi TV. Shalom.